Boom! Did I scare you? It's Halloween. I'm having fun with it. Check out my costume. Jim and Dale's dancer. Okay, that's enough. You don't want to see that. But I thought I'd let you guys know my secret for staying fit while eating candy. So I only have some candy every once in a while. Moderation is key, and you want to do it immediately post workout. My hero Jim Stopani goes into the window where the sugar goes to replenish your glycogen stores. I'll link that down below. Check it out. And if you want to check out some other nutrition videos, check out these. And for training, check out these. Live longer, feel better, and life to your years. Check out the affiliate links down below and let me know what you're doing for activity in the comments, whether you're trick-or-treating or not because of COVID. See you